Huge.
Hey, Maisie.
Huge.
Wait, let her do what she wants to do.
I mean,
Hey, let her do what she wants to
He
do.
was never big, and his wife wasn't big, but they're kids, and they were preemies too. And they're huge. I mean, the boy's head is like. Ooh.
Ooh, she likes those. What is the one on these ones?
Video.
What is up in that one?
These ribbons on the back of the.
He only has 2 more to open.
Like now.
Three.
Easy, Kaylee.
Can you move the bag?
Kaylee, move back.
Move the bag.
Move back, Kaylee.
I know, and I'm all taking a video.
Pull on that.
I know what it
Oh,
is.
she can't see. She can't take pictures with that big little present in the way.
I just know what it is.
There you go.
Oh, good distraction.
Don't scream on it.
Oh! Hey, she opened one all by herself.
No,
Good job.
She says, oh, this lid's awesome.
Yeah.
What's in there?
I knew that.
What's in there?
It's soft. Can I feel it?
In a minute.
Can I feel it?
Ooh, what's that? That's fuzzy.
I like the lid. It's a bunny.
Bunny.
That has a hat, or I mean, the ponytails, whatever it is.
No, wait.
Headbands.
Cute. Yay.
But for us, we can wear them as ponytails. Like
Them in your
this.
hair.
Huh?
She says, what do they taste like?
Pretty cool, huh?
Now it's time for down, down, down. We're staring at you. No, no.
Sad thing is.